The Spirit of Hope is so much more than just a fundraiser. It serves as a constant reminder for why we do it in the first place. We may come from different backgrounds, different experiences, different support systems, but we share similar values. We understand the importance of providing support to those who need it. So when we're out here getting ready to pedal over 100 kilometers a day, tackling hills, challenging terrain, in the heat, in the rain, the ride serves as a reminder that the challenges we endure on the road are nothing compared to the challenges low-income families face seeking adequate housing. At Habitat for Humanity Manitoba, it's more than just building houses. It's about building homes. Homes where people can feel safe, supported, and surrounded by the ones they love. And that is why the Spirit of Hope is so important. That is why we keep going. That is why we ride.